Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, we are from the Class C Physics Education Department. In this presentation, we will talk about proving mechanical wave. Hopefully, this will help expand our knowledge. Okay, before we start the presentation, we will introduce ourselves first.
Hello everyone, my name is Aisyah Putri.
My name is Aulia Izatul Sujudi
And my name is Roni Romanduddin.
Okay, let's go straight into the presentation material. Did you know about wave? A wave is a series of vibration or oscillation that progress from one point to another. Waves carry energy without moving matter. A drop of water dripping onto the surface of still water can get replaced. And next is mechanical waves. Mechanical waves are waves whose progression process requires a medium, intermediary substance. For example, air or water, wave on street, and sound wave. And then, two properties of wave. First is diffraction. Wave that pass through the cap will penetrate the cap and spread around the edge of the barrier. For example, what happens when light passing through a narrow cap spread to from different patterns of light and shadow. And second is interference. Two waves that meet and interact so that they can strengthen or constructive or weaken or destructive. For example, like throwing two stones at the same time.
And then it turns out that the wave described above can be made into simple observation and can even be done at home with simple tools and material including a container filled with water, food coloring, and two pipettes. Okay, let's talk about diffraction experiment steps. First, place the basin on the table and fill with water to more than its volume. Second, add a little food coloring so that the waveforms are clearly visible. Third, place a wooden block in the middle of the basin so that there are two parts of the water by making a gap in the middle of the block. Fourth, take one pipette and fill it with water and food coloring mixture. Then drip it on the surface of the water and mix the food coloring in one part. Then, simultaneously with the process above, record the moment when the water mixed with food coloring is dropped on the surface of the food coloring mixture using a camera. And the last step is simultaneously with the process above. Record the moment when the water mixed with food coloring is dropped on the surface of the food coloring mixture using a camera.
Okay, interference experiment steps. First, place the basin on the table and fill with water to more than percent of its volume, and then add a little food coloring so that the waveforms are clearly visible. And then take two papers and fill them with water and food coloring mixture, and then drop the two papers containing the water mixed with food coloring onto the surface of the water mixed with food coloring at the same time, and then simultaneously with the above process, record the moment when the water mixed with the dye, and then food is dropped in onto the surface of the food coloring mixture using a camera. Last one, observe the shape terms that occur by providing a logical explanation. Experiment result. Diffraction. Wave that pass stop the gap will penetrate the gap and spread around the edge of the barrier. Interference. Two waves that meet and interact with each other so that they can strengthen or constructive or weaken or destructive. Both experiment results are in accordance with theory.
And the next is experiment result. You can see a picture about result experiments. First is picture of diffraction. Waves that pass through the gap will presence in the gap and speed around the edge of the barrier. This one. And second is interference. The two wave that meet and interact so that they can stretch, constructive, or weaken, destructive.